You know, this is important to go back in and touch it up. Yeah, so this side is, you know. You see how my comb just glides through that? Oops, okay, wait a minute. I need a little bit more down there. Easy. You don't want to just rip your wig off. You see 28 inches, it's fairly long. So it stops right at my lower back.
I cannot stand the way you look at me. You got me reaching for something more. And please forgive me, I can hardly.
Let's get into it, baby. I have some goodies. 28 inches for you, girl. Cheetah Beauty. Oh yeah, y'all did y'all big one with this color. It's like a burgundy deep red. It's been pre-plucked. The knots are bleached, of course. Oh, this color is so gorgeous on me. Okay, so this fit, it comes like past my ear over here, and it's well over here, so nice size. I usually wear like a medium size cap, so if you wear a large, this will definitely fit you because I have extra lace, extra hair on the lace coming all the way down past my ear. All right, let me go ahead and do my ball cap and get this party started. I'm here for the color. Ooh, this is gorgeous. All right, do my ball cap because this is not gonna cut it. All right, y'all, for this ball cap, I used hair glue. Just put it around the perimeter of the wig cap.
And now you got me painting roses on the bedroom floor. And Mr. Hazel Eyes, Mr. Golden Skies, you don't see.
And also, while I was waiting on the wig cap to dry, I went ahead and hot combed everything back, you know, so the flyaways won't be in the way. Now let's put her on because I am too excited. Okay. All right, and again, I'm using my Erica J Hold Me Down Lace Adhesive, and let's do it. I think I'm just going to do 2 layers.
What you're doing to me. And Mr. We're just friends, you know in the end it won't be pretty. It isn't fair the way.
Okay, that's 2 layers. Now let's pull this down.
You say my name like a song I've
Okay, I think that's good.
never heard before. Song I've never heard before. And you say that love.
Okay, so this is a different technique I learned, is to cut the lace in sections. I remember one time I was doing this. I remember one time a couple years ago I was cutting my lace in sections, but it was before I glued it. But this time, this is after I glue. And then pull it back and see where I need to go back and add glue. Like that area is good, but up here I need more glue. In this middle section, that section is fine. Over here I need a little bit more glue. So I'm gonna go back and do that. Both of the side tabs need a little bit more glue. You know, this is important to go back in and touch it up. And then I also go in with my holding spray after I have cut the lace to melt it. And I go back in my holding spray to spray it directly onto the lace to help it melt. Alright.
It is impossible. You say that loving is impossible, but it's a feeling I can't ignore.
Okay, so now I'm going to use this holding spray here. It's not even just pump it up. It's like pump it up in another spray because I only had a little bit of spray in another bottle. So I poured it in here. So it's 2 different things in this bottle. Sorry. I'm just a girl. But I'm going to use this to melt my lace before I cut it. Just putting this all around the edges. Let's just spray it here because this nozzle is dumb.
Oh, and Mr. Hazel Eyes, Mr. Golden Skies, you don't see what you're doing to me. just friends. You know, in the end, it won't be pretty. You got me painting rose gold.
Oh, I did that so good. And then I was seeing girls like go back over with their razor and just kind of go at the lace, the edge of it. So we're gonna do that. Try to thin it out a little bit, I guess, sort of melt better. I think I see a little difference. Okay, I'm here for it. Okay, so let's melt one more time. Ouch, I can feel where I was cutting. I must have been, oh, cutting my head. And I'm also blow drying this step on cool. When I was doing it the first couple times, I was going back and forth from hot and cool, but here it's only cool. So now everything is dry again. I can go ahead and tie it down. Should I do a middle part? And I love how deep it is. Alright, well, let's make sure this can stay back. So, firming it up with my fingers. Okay, so you see I use my blow dryer to kind of mold that back. I'm going to do the same thing with the middle part. I never tried this before, but, you know, let's see. And you see I'm using the blow dryer heat to mold it. Alright, nice and flat. Okay, let's take this off. Ooh. Alright. So this here is some lace tint. Spraying it on my fingers too. Just dabbing it along my hairline. Oh, that looks good. Just like that. Melted. Ashy. Now it's blended. Okay, last I need some concealer on my part. Yeah, I'm just going to use this shade over here. Ruby Kisses in the color 15. Oh, now I'm painting all these roses. Perfect. That's not too light. Like, you can see the part, but it's not giving white. Okay. Now, let's kind of like just finger comb this. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is gorgeous, baby. So, y'all, I call myself just one curling the top because it got frizzy. Child, and darn near one curled the entire wig. I one curled all of the top, but the bottoms, I just kind of did the tips. Like that. Okay, so here's how the hair look with the middle part. This burgundy color is gorgeous, honey.
Don't wanna feel the way you make me feel.
So cute.
A peculiar shape.
You see 28 inches, it's fairly long. It is curly, so it stops right at my lower back.
And now you got me feeling all the shades of indigo. Feeling all the shades, because I can't have you.
Okay, let's do the ponytail. Alright, so now for my ponytail.
And Mr. Hazel Eyes, Mr. Golden Skies, you don't see what you're doing to me. And Mr. We're just friends, you know in the end it won't be pretty.
Okay, and here's the ponytail.
Mr. Hazel Eyes, don't you realize you don't see what you're doing to me? Mr. We're just friends, you know in the end it won't be me. You got me painting roses.
for this video. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll talk to you guys next time. I already started taking off my wig, but let me show you. I'm using this Erica J Hold Me Down Lace Adhesive Remover. And I haven't added any to this side yet, so this side is, you know, on pretty well. But I have put it over here, so it's dripping down my face. You see how my comb just glides through that? Ooh, okay, wait a minute. Like a little bit more down there. Easy peasy. You don't want to just rip your wig off. Or I used to use alcohol or sea breeze, but this is so much easier, so much safer. See, I haven't done this side yet. It's not coming up until I add this. Just like that. And I use glue to put down my ball cap as well, so use it on this too. Ooh, this stuff is strong.
What you're doing to me, and Mr. We're just friends. You know, in the end, it won't be pretty. It isn't fair the way you say my name, like a song I've never heard before.
There. Bad bitches back.